Well, the last video I put up showed you that DB Drive PD2001 I got, new amp, and the Soundstream 8 farad cap, 20 DB hybrid cap, and as you can tell, there's nothing in there no more. The other amp, it's not here. I'm working today. Excuse the mess, I got crap everywhere. I just got it done, and right before it's getting dark and these clouds rolling in. See, they're coming over there. They coming all in here, boy. They look mean too. But I just got it all in here hooked up. I hooked up the PD2001, and I got the Soundstream 8 farad cap hooked up. The cap, yeah, I got damn wire running everywhere. Next thing I'll probably install, I'll show you guys, probably these, both these fuses here running to the back. This PD2000's got a spot for 2 powers and 2 grounds, so I'm going to run 2 sets of 4-gauge wire, both fused going back here to it, and it's also got this piece for the ground. Where is it? I don't know where that's at. Let me see here. I guess I don't have it here, but here is the PD2000. Sorry if it's a little bit dark, guys. I'm trying to get it done before it gets all the way dark. And here's that ground wire. Come out with 2 grounds. Anyway, here's the DB Drive here. RCA's back here. PD2001 and the cap. Let me go around. Cap's cool, turns on and off, shows your amps and your volts coming out. Here's the ground. Got to ground the cap separate, and it's even got its ground out. I know it's a red wire, that's all I had. Didn't have no other ground wire, but there's a ground coming in. There's a ground coming out over here to the amp, you can see. But it's got the power on one set of power coming right in, power going out over to the amp. It's also got your remote coming right from your head unit. Your remote turn on switch for your head unit for your amp comes right into the input to turn the cap on. Then it does one coming out and going to the amp to turn the amp on. Now, show what it does here. Turn this thing on. Hold on. Get where y'all can see it. Turn the car on. And there she is. Sorry. Yeah, there. Yeah. Obviously, turn on the PD2000 here, and there's a Soundstream for cap. She's pretty bright. Got 12 LEDs in it. Shows my volts and my amps going right now. The bass comes on, that little light here. All these lights will light up. The bass is going. I also installed DB Drive in my on the Hifonics that I had. It had a bass control knob. This one I got it. It has a spot for it, but I didn't get it. But I also installed here today this line controller, this level line controller. It's just like a bass knob, but it goes all the way down to all the way up. So it's kind of, it's not just a boost. See, no bass right now. And then no bass. It's pretty cool. I'm going to show you this cap here. right when the bass hits. And then lights will start to go. Well, I'm to a song bass right now. There we go. And then the head unit will just turn it off when you kill the coins. And they both turn off. So yeah, just keep y'all updated on what I'm doing. Yeah, Soundstream Ferret Hybrid cap. I want to see if it'll do anything or not. Like I said, I just now installed it, got it done. But I will, next video, probably show you what that PD2001 can do back there. Alright guys, see ya.